Hello, I'm Shelley and Sep's behind the camera.
Hi.
And today we're going to make this. This helps to clean off the snow from your shoes. In front of me is everything that you need for this project. If you look down below into the description, there are the exact measurements. We're going to use the two pieces of boards, the one that's 11 centimeters times 28 centimeters, the other one is 12 centimeter times 28. This is this here. These 11 centimeters is here. We're going to drill with a Forstner bit a hole with 35 millimeters here, a centimeter in, and then we're going to drill here these three holes. This hole is by 3.5 centimeters, then by 14 centimeters, and then by 24.5 centimeters. We're going to take the 12 centimeter times 28 centimeters board. We've got to drill 6 holes in here. We're going to start from the bottom, 2.5 centimeters in on both sides, and then we're going to drill at 2.5 centimeters, 19 centimeters, and 26 centimeters. We're going to take the 11 centimeter times 28 centimeters and the 12 centimeters times 28 centimeters. We're going to screw the 11 centimeters to the 12 centimeters board and the other one as well. We're going to take now the two broom brushes. They fit now into the Forstner hole in here. And to fix them properly, we're going to take out here and here, about 5 centimeters in, one set of brushes, and then we're going to screw the broom onto the board. We've now got the two scrubbing brushes for the floor. We're going to take out the brushes about 3 centimeters in the middle and drill a hole through them again. We've got these two pieces of wood. This is 5 times 53 centimeters, and we're going to measure out the middle, place these in the middle, screw them into position. But before we screw, we've got to remove these plastic pieces at the back. On this frame, we're going to place these pieces. We're going to place them so that they are here, nice on the edge, and here as well. Then they're going to be screwed into place with the two screw holes, which are 2.5 centimeters or 19 centimeters apart. And if you've done everything right, then this is how the boot cleaner should look like from the front. If we turn it round the back, you can see that here, these two pieces are hanging over a little bit. So what we're going to do is take the small pieces, the 2 centimeters times 11.5 centimeters, and they're going to be screwed onto here, just to give a little bit more stability. We're going to take the 22.2 centimeters and the 72.5 centimeter pieces of wood. Both of them, we're going to drill from the bottom here 3 holes up, both at the same spot. Then we're going to turn one of the poles to the right and the other one to the left. And then we're going to drill a centimetre up a Forstner borer bit and drill the Forstner borer hole so that then we can take this rod and be able to place them in the hole left and right. Our shoe cleaner is now finished and we will see you in a couple of weeks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to say bye bye for now.